Hey, what's up, traders? Hey, that's what's good with y'all, man. It's you. Oh shit, I'm fucking up the intro. What's good with y'all, YouTube? It's your boy MET. You gotta tell me, bro. Come on, it's mandatory. MET X All what's good with y'all, man? Hope y'all having a great night, great day, great morning, wherever y'all at. Um, Today, y'all, I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. First things first, I know I haven't really been on the YouTube like that. My fault. Don't beat my ass. Don't punch me in my face. Don't bully me. I'm sorry. You feel me? So I'm gonna get into all that towards the end of the video, but right now we finna focus on this setup right here and just hope that it hits. And for sure, one thing about this setup is if it comes back up here, we getting out. Simple as that. So hey man, if you want a free trading Discord, you know what I'm saying? I got a little Discord, it's free, you know what I'm saying? We got a trading chat, the winning setups, just all this. You can see right here, you got the little, this is what you're looking at right now. Well, before I just clicked over was the chat where I sent my signals. I sent the signal, I think it was on AU. Yeah, AU, but I was just trying for a quick little some, you know what I mean? A little, you know what I mean? A little, yeah, I meaner, you feel me? And it didn't play out. It was really kind of like high risk, so I'm just kind of going for $50 right here. And yeah, this is just what the chat look like, bro. This is the winning setups chat where after you take your trade, send it to the chat, be like, okay, nice little win. Ooh. Hold on, I gotta fix my entry on. Oh, this is GU. What the fuck? Yeah, whoa. Fuck am I on? Yeah, I'm a little worried for myself. What the fuck? Yeah, know me, yeah, stops are above the wick above. And I think where are we targeting at exactly is right damn near above. Alright, bet. When it comes to like setting, like matching up my take profits, I'll be struggling, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so that seemed valid, right? Am I tripping? That seemed valid, right? Alright, that seemed valid. I guess it seemed valid. Hopefully it seemed valid. Shit, yeah. So man, this is the trade we trying to go for right here, man. This is a nice little what is it? A nice damn near 1 to 4. Trying to let's just try to go for the 1 to 4. Let's try to go for 1 to 4. Cause I like going for 1 to 2s, but bro, 1 to 2s just got hit. But I mean it's a nice trade. So I feel like we just gonna go in with it. And if it's able to hit this area, cause this is a nice little zone right here. I'm not gonna lie. But the thing is, we're not looking for that. We're not looking for that zone. So hopefully we can hurry up. Oh yeah, I feel like I feel like this. Hopefully it can push down and then because I feel like this could be one of those candles to push all the way down. Hold on, wait. All right, cool. Whoa. Fuck all that. I was gonna say I feel like it's one of those candles that could low key push all the way down. And one thing y'all may notice is that I am on a live account. I was just trying some shit out because I low key do want to do a little series. I think this week. No, next week. I'm just getting used to the take profit hit though. Yeah, take profit for sure hit. We're getting up out of there. But yeah, I'm just on this little small account right now, just testing shit out. And you know what I'm saying? Basically, I'm gonna try to do like a little account flip challenge. This is a beautiful ass trade, by the way. Oh my god, that's a beautiful ass trade. But yeah, we got out right there. Nice little trade right there. So hey man, yeah, but bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I cannot talk about just one thing. My mind just gets my mind just be everywhere, bro. Like I could be looking at the chat talking about the Discord, and then I fucking look at a cup and be like, damn, I ain't finished the water from yesterday. The fuck be going on with me? But yeah, let me just try to stay narrow on a fucking path. What was I talking about? Fuck, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got a brain of a goldfish. Yeah, account flip challenge. So, you know, I threw in about, what did I throw in? Like, what was that? Like 300, 400, some dollars on this trade right here. And then yeah, so I just took that. And yeah, like I'm just really just getting used to the lot size. Like I guess Audusd was a nice little trade. Considering the lot size, you know, it wasn't. I'm still trying to figure out how like to scale and how I want to scale it. When I start the challenge and shit. So make sure you there for the challenge next week. I will be starting next week. The remainder of this week, I'm basically just gonna be testing shit out. You know, all types of shit. You know, so stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned, bro. So, hey, if you ain't hear me, stay tuned, bro. I'm saying I got a video dropping, series dropping next week. Stay tuned, bro. But yeah, man. Let's just get into this breakdown, man. I'm gonna stop acting like a fucking crackhead, cause if y'all really want to go see a crackhead, y'all would just go outside. If you're in the suburbs, just go on YouTube, bro. If you're in the suburbs, you ain't got no local crackheads around you. I'm the best you got, bro. I'm sorry. But yeah, man, this is a nice little beautiful trade right here. So, as you can see, we got the 200 EMA right, not the EMA, SMA. My bad. 200 SMA right here, and you know I like to trade when it's either above or below. If in this case it's below, oh my God, this is a beautiful ass trade. We're below in the 5 minute. The below, well, technically, like we're like overall, just wait. So on the 15, as of right now, you saw that we were technically kind of above. Then we go on the minute. I mean, not the minute. Holy shit, I'm a fucking crackhead. On the hour, we are kind of like right on it, and it was like it looks like it was losing momentum. It started off real strong, and then you know it started doing all this bullshit and just like losing. You know, it's what's the word I'm looking for? Damn it. Is it momentum? I think the word momentum. Y'all always help me out when I'm fucking struggling. I'm always struggling on these damn words. So if that's not the right word I'm looking for, you know what to do. And then yeah, but the 4 hours really was sold it for me. I'm not gonna lie. We definitely pushed up a bit, and then we started, yeah, losing momentum. That sounds right. Yeah, losing momentum to the upside, and then we started, you know, pushing down. And then I don't really trade like gaps and shit, but bro, if on the 4 hour, this is a fat ass gap. I'm not gonna lie. Um, I know a decent amount about gaps. You know, they get filled, but they don't have to get filled as soon as you see them. So yeah, so the confirmations were below the 200 SMA, had a little 4 hour, I guess 4 hour gap to fill, and you know just like on multiple time frames, you know, it just aligning, you know, just aligning with shit, and the way we just entered it was just beautiful. It was just a nice, clean, simple trade. Um, Boom. I guess you could call this, maybe some people call it order block, some people call it, you know, a supply zone. Honestly, you can really do whatever you want because they're kind of the same, but I'm not gonna really say that because I know a lot of people take this order block, supply and demand shit serious, and I don't want no beef with y'all, honestly. So whatever you want to call it, bro, you call it that. Look, there was money to be made, so it's all good today. And yeah, that's really the trade breakdown today, man. It's nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? It ain't like I'm fucking, you know what I'm saying, about to go on my fucking yacht and then I'm literally about to go on my fucking bed, you know. So I'm excited for that. You know, I'm excited every time I get done trading. I'm excited to go to bed, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That nap after you hit TP, it's a nap like no other. Besides the nap when you blow your account. When you blow your account or lose a whole lot for that day and you take a nap, them naps be fucking fuego, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man, like I said, man, if you guys are interested in joining the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. If you're interested in finding out or learning how I trade, I do sell a small little course for $25. It's literally just straight to the point. It's not really a lot of psychology. It's not psychology at all, to be honest with you. It's just strictly like my strategy. That's all it is. Keep my psychology still on YouTube. So if you want to check it out, check that out. If you don't, I don't give a fuck. It's up to you, bro. You see, I'm making money in the market, hey, bro. It's up to you. You feel me? But hey, man, I appreciate y'all checking out this video. And yeah, this is it. fuck you looking at me, bro? Like you gonna click off the video? You see the video is about to end in a couple seconds. Like, fucking weirdos, man.